Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'll show you how to add products to an existing subscription, both as a one-time purchase and as a recurring order. Full access to this feature requires you to log into the customer portal as the customer. When logged into the customer portal as your customer, you are subject to the same restrictions as your customer. This means you must allow your customers to add products to their existing subscriptions first. The option can be found under Settings, Customer Portal. On this page, enable the checkbox next to Customer can add products to their existing subscriptions. After enabling this option, locate the subscriber you wish to add a product to within Bold Subscriptions on the Customers page. Click the ellipsis button next to the customer on this page, then click Log in to Customer Portal. Once the Customer Portal page is loaded, click Add Products in the subscription you would like to add a new product to. In the list of products that appears, locate the product you would like to add and click the product image to add the product. After choosing a product, enter a quantity for the product, and if the product contains multiple variants, choose a variant you would like to add. Lastly, there are two options you can click. Add to this subscription adds the product to all future recurring orders for this customer's subscription, while Add to Next Order only adds the product to the next upcoming order. Click the option that works best for your customer. In my example, I'm going to choose Add to this subscription. Please note that if a product that is already in an active subscription group is added to a customer's subscription, the product receives the discount associated with the group it is in. If the group does not have a discount, then a discount is not applied. If the added product is in more than one subscription group, it inherits the discount from the group it was most recently added to. And that's all there is to it. For more information on managing your subscribers with Bold subscriptions, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.